and this is Eco Brick tutorial. So I'll be showing you a really quick way how to put one of these things together. It's really important that we take responsibility for our non-recyclable plastics, so this is one way that you can do it. This can be used with combination with adobe and cob in order to make various kinds of structures like houses, benches, walls. So actually this video is for anybody, but it's specifically for people in the Rio Grande Valley because we're doing a project right now where we're making a wall, me and my friend who has a yerbaria over at 700 East University over in Edinburgh. The name of her shop is called Ave Espiritual Yerbaria. So after you're done making your eco bricks, you have a place to drop them off, and you can see some of the projects that we'll be doing with them there. So highly encourage you to make your own eco bricks and do something useful with them. So let's get started. So I like to separate all my different plastics. Most cities, at least the city where I'm from, they only recycle 1 and 2 plastics, which are like your bottles, your various kinds of bottles. Everything else goes to the landfill. So all of your plastic films, anything that's touched food, that stuff, it doesn't get recycled, it just goes straight to the landfill. So with those kinds of plastics, I like to categorize them into my hard plastics and my soft plastics. I try to keep my plastic bags in its own container, and then my soft plastics that need to be torn up. The stuff that needs to get torn up, I turn it into confetti, which is what you have here. So like your containers that will hold fruit, any sort of like these kind of softer plastics, even like synthetic fabrics, these all need to be cut up into confetti so that they fit well into our eco brick. So this is already pre-made confetti. And then here are my harder plastics, such as this. You will need a hammer, and at some point just gather up all of your hard plastics, go out to a piece of concrete outside and just smash them to bits, and then you just add those bits to your confetti. So I have my confetti, I have my plastic bags, and I have an empty bottle. Well, this one I already started, and I got a flat knife. So what you want to start off with is taking your plastic bags and shoving them to the bottom of your bottle. The bottles need to be dense, right? This is really dense, and the way you do that is with the combination of the bags and the confetti. So you start with the bags in order to get to the grooves at the bottom. After you stuff in a couple of bags, you can stuff it full of confetti. Well, not full, but you just add some. You just kind of eyeball it, right? You add a good bit, and then you add more plastic bags to it, and then you shove it all in, so you make it really compact. You need to add the plastic bags periodically because the confetti, there's a lot of space between the confetti, so the plastic bags help to just get rid of that space and make them very dense. They need to have good integrity. Styrofoam. I also keep a separate bag for styrofoam. In general, I think it's a good idea just to stay away from products that use styrofoam packaging, but I understand it's really difficult to do that sometimes. So the times that you have to use it, save it, and then use it at the very tops of your eco bricks. So you can fit a ton of styrofoam actually at the very top. I wouldn't put it before because they're bulky. And so it becomes tricky, but just after having done a lot of these, I can tell you that best time to use them is a styrofoam at the top and just kind of keep shoving it in. So that's it. You got your bags, confetti, and then styrofoam if you have any at the top, and then you got yourself a nice eco brick. So yeah, once again, I encourage all you guys to participate, please make these, save our oceans. And when you're done, if you're in the area, take them to 700 East University, Ave Espiritual Yerbaria. Thank you very much.